Hello everyone, I'm from Code Guru Programming Tutorials, and today I'm going to show how to solve Netbeans error that pops up while installing. My name is Sangwa Emmanuel. Now, here I have Apache Netbeans 16. This error usually comes on different versions of Netbeans, and when you click wanting to install, it brings the error saying Java ACE development kit was not found on this computer. To note that this version of Netbeans can work from JDK 8 or higher. Now, how do we solve it? There are a couple of steps that we have to take in order to solve that. So first of all, you have to go to the properties of your computer, and on this window you go to Advanced System Settings, and then next you go to Environment Variables, and then there are two categories of our environment variables. There are user variables for administrator and the system variables. You go to the second categories and search if you can find Java home variables, but it is not there initially. So if it is not there, you have to click it and add it. So before you click on the new, we have to first get the path of JDK that you have downloaded. I have already downloaded JDK 17 and put it in my C local drive, then in the program files. And this is OpenJDK 17. It works on Java 17. Then you open the JDK path, but you don't open another folder because that is going to change the path. You copy the path and then you go to the value. You first go to new, then the name should exactly be Java home, then the value, the path that we have copied, then okay. Then now let's go to the installer and see if it can work. We click, voila, now the installer is working. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss new videos. Thank you. Goodbye.